Hello everyone, I'm Digvi Agarwal and today I'm going to unbox the Physics Wala Udan module. So let us start with the registers. I bought some registers from the website, and the quality of these registers, the covers are really nice, and from inside they are also good. The covers are customized and they are spiral binded. Overall they are very nice. Now let us go to the books. I bought these books because in 9 I bought the Neve batch, and in that also I took these books. So that's why I preferred them to buy them again. So this is the physics book. The cover is also really nice. First they give us the index and then they start with the introduction and then theory. After that, they provide us with some questions. You can see. Let me show you. First, the summary, and then some questions. NCRT, NCRT exercise, and then the quick recall. These are the physics wala questions which we can practice after doing the theory part and completing our chapter. These are a great way of practicing what we have done and taking our own test if we are self studying. The questions are also divided into three parts, as you can see: MCQs, assertion, reason, statement type questions, short answer, subjective, you can see. And then they provide us with the competitive level questions which we can study to crack exams like Olympiads, NTSC, and other exams. The overall book is very nice, and the question bank is also very nice. Now let us go to the biology part. The book of biology is relatively very thick, so the cover is nice, and in this also index at the first introduction, then the theory part, and then NCRT exercise, quick recall, multiple choice, assertion, reason. If you buy these books, you do not need any other book. The quality of questions are really nice, and the questions are a lot in number as well. Case study questions are also provided as per the new pattern, and assertion reason questions are also there. If you study on your own, these books are a very good resource, and they can help you in many ways. The theory is also nice, the question bank is also good, and the overall book is very nice. Now let us go to the mathematics book. Two parts are there. Let me show you. Part A and Part B. The syllabus of maths is a little bit long, so that is why they have provided us with two books, and they also provide us with theory and other questions, so the size of books are so thick. Now let's review the math book. The cover is nice, same as other books. Then we have the index, and then we have the theory. In maths, I think the theory is very important. A good theory can help us in solving the questions more appropriately. So that is why good theory is provided in the starting, and then in between they have also provided us with the examples provided in the NCRT book, and then they give us some summary. These boxes are also very nice, and the pages and the font is very attractive, and it is nice overall. Then we get the NCRT exercise 2. They also provide us with different kinds of questions like short, long, case study, and then the answer key, so we can check our answers at the last and correct which are wrong. In this book also they provide us with the competitive level questions so that we can solve and prepare us at the competitive level. If we want to solve crack exams like JEE and NEET, good maths is required. So that's it for part A. Let's review the part B, the remaining syllabus. First index, then summary, theory. The font is also really big and the readability is also very nice. NCERT exercise and then their own questions, examples. The overall books are really nice. Now let us go to the chemistry, our last book. In this also we have the index, then theory, introduction. You can see that they have given different headings for everything, and I like that part a lot. And if you don't want to make notes, you can skip that also, because they provide us with a good quality theory. In ninth also I took these books and they were a large support for me. Then we have the summary, NCERT corner, NCERT exercise, then quick recall, in which there are different kinds of questions for which you can practice and test. Then we have MCQs, subjective, long answer, case based, competitive level questions. I think they have updated their curriculum according to the CBSE, as case-based questions are also present here. Assertion reason is also there, and I think any other book will not be required other than these. Let me show you all the books once again. Maths, chemistry, bio, physics. So overall they are very nice, and that's it what I want to say about these books. Thank you and meet you in another video.